adjacent angles, complementary, there's some 90 degrees, supplementary angles, there's some 180 degrees, and the last one, which is the, who can remember what we said about the R4? Complementary, supplementary, adjacent, and vertically opposite angles, VOA. It's look like cross, and every two vertically opposite are equal in measure. Now today we shall apply directly to the facts that we studied before at the last session. Let us see, this is the exercise, some problems from the exercise 4 to page 79. First question is complete. Each of equal and complementary. Complementary means that the sum is 90 degrees and they are equal. They are together 90. They are together 90. The two angles together are 90 degrees. But they are equal. So this angle equal to this angle. So you can divide each. You can divide the 90 into two equal parts. So it is 90 degrees divided the two parts, two equal parts, is 45 degrees. If two angles are complementary and they are equal in measure, they are complementary and equal in measure. So we divide the 90 into two equal parts, 45 and 45 is each of is. Number 2, if two angles A and B are supplementary, they are supplementary angles, and if measure B is double A, angle B double A, or in A half B, their supplementaries look like this. This is the first ray, and it's rotate up till it comes to 180. So we have angle B is the big angle. B double A. So it will be, for example, like this. This is angle B. This is angle A. This is twice this. The three parts, this is twice this. This is X, so this is 2X. So we have here to find A, we have to make mathematical operation. What is it? How can we write it? Look, I will take here the 3x equals 180. So if you divide both sides by 3, so each x is 60. X is angle A, double x is angle B. I need what? I need angle A. I need 1x. So this x is 60. So the answer is 60 degrees. This is the bigger one. This is the bigger one. This is like homework. I will lend it to you because previously you studied. In the practice, please bring with you a protractor. You remember the protractor? The protractors look like this. You remember? This is the protractor. I need to buy this from the library, okay? And bring it with you with the ruler. I'll show you in the practice inshallah. Use a protractor to construct mean to draw. 60 degrees and 170. Try to see you next time. Now today I will give you like a theorem or an important fact. What is the important fact? Listen to me. If you have one point O, for example point O, and you have many rays, we draw many rays coming from O. Let's look like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, for example, whatever. It's enough. This is not collinear, not necessary. It's ممكن كده يعني عارفين ازاي؟ It's not necessary to be on the same straight line. لا خالص. We can write it as anywhere. This angle is angle 1. And this angle is angle 2. This angle is angle 3. And this one, angle 4. This angle is angle angle 5. If you start from here and rotate complete circle, so it is 360. So this fact says that the sum, if you add the sum of all accumulative, it means accumulative means متراكمين ورا بعض، جايين ورا بعض، متراكمين كلهم accumulative، the sum of all accumulative angles about 1 point equals 360 degrees. This is a theorem. So measure angle, we can say that measure angle 1 plus measure angle 2 plus 3 plus angle 4 plus angle 5, they are 360 degrees. The sum of all angles around 1.0, so it is, the summation is 360 degrees. Let us see a problem about it. حاجات طبعا دي كتير تلاقيها في الاكزامينيشنز، كتير يعني very important, and try to solve. Too much writing, too much have a high score. You have an exercise, page 79. You have an exercise, page 79. Also this problem is, listen to me. You have a straight angle. So it's 180 up, 180 down here. 180 up, 180 down. This is A point C. So, and that one is B. So, BA ray and BC ray are on the same straight line. From here, there's an extension or a ray. This angle is angle 1. This angle is angle 1. And this angle is 135 degrees. And this point is the point D. Also, you have here another ray. So that this angle and this, they are equal in measure. It means that this is, you can write it like this. This measure, exactly like this measure. So, if it is 60, so 60, 70, so 70, 80, so 80, they are equal in measure. And this is B, okay, this angle is angle 2. Okay. This angle is 2. This angle 1, this angle 2. What's the requirement? I want to, this is angle also angle number 3. This angle is angle 3. This angle is angle 4. What's the RTF required to find? What's the requirement here? I want from you 3 things. Number 1, number 2, number 3. We have 3 objectives. We want to verify them or to prove. Number 1, find measure angle 1. I want to find measure of angle 1. How much this angle? Number 2, I want from you DBE. Measure angle DBE angle. This is the second one. Third because they ممكن نكتبهم بس بدري شوية because angle 1 and angle 4 they are what? They are supplementary adjacent. They are supplementary, comma, and adjacent angles. This is the first one. You have to write like this exactly. Don't write till here and stop. No, you have to put the reason why. Why 180? Because they are supplementary, so it's 180. And adjacent, you can subtract 135. Number 2, the second question. I want to find angle DBE. DBE. Now go here. DBE. D. B. This is E. I'm sorry. DBE. It's good. Both angles together. So this is angle 1 plus angle 2. How much? He told you that they are equal, and you know this one. So number 2, I want from you to find measure. This is the second objective. Measure angle DBE. I write it here. DBE angle. This is the second requirement. I say since measure of angle 1 exactly like measure of angle 2, exactly how much angle 1? Angle 1, angle 1, 45. 1 is 45. That one. So it is 45 each. So together, so therefore, the point is 4. 4. Since therefore, since إن حصل كذا كذا, therefore أنا أقدر أستنتج كذا. So measure angle, measure of angle. أكتبها زي ما هي. D B E angle. It is measure angle 1 plus measure angle 2. So it is تحتيها بس زي بالرص 45 plus 45 degrees. It is 90 degrees exactly. So these are the two solutions in there. Number 3, I want from you angle 3. You see this angle 3? How can I find it directly in 1? Don't say إن دي بتساوي لا 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 ما فيش داعي نحكي كل الحكاية دي. Number 3, I find measure angle 3. Measure of angle 3 is required. You remember this fact? Yes. The sum of all angles around one point is 360 degrees. So 360 minus minus minus. You subtract this angle and that one from the one term because they are accumulative angles. So I say that angle 1, 2, 3, 4. So since, look what I write. Look what I write. Since, I have to say since, this is the base. Since angle 1, angle 2, angle 3, and angle 4, بنسميهم ايه يا ولاد؟ are accumulative angles. So we can get directly that one. Sorry, angle 3. Sorry, that one. This is the required. All the term 360 minus the 3 angles. So the required angle, so measure angle 3 is the complete term 360 minus ولازم تفتح لي bracket احط فيه كل الحاجات اللي انا ناويه اكنسلها من جوه 360 اللي هي 1 2 and يبقى 135 degrees plus اللي انا جبتها فوق 45 degrees plus 45 degrees. So angle 3 equals by subtraction this is 555. So it's ليها احسن كده خلينا نخلصها صح احسن طلبه 5 5 10 15 is 5 carry 1 1 4 5 5 4 9 9 3 12 2 carry 1 1 and 1 225. So it is 10 minus 5 it is 5. This is 5 minus 2 it is 3. towards 35 degrees or 135 degrees. This is the requirement. These are the 3 requirements required to prove or required to find the 3 things. Thank you very much for your, it's enough today.